Good day guys, being here. Today we are going to try this one. Okay, so let's start. So first we're going to create a project. So we can do this as wall. This can be curtain wall, and this is wall again, curtain wall again, and then this bit, the middle part, we can try some different method. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's go to an elevation. So I'll just draw some copy. I'll select this level, copy this up, and copy some more. So we have two levels for the lower part. Maybe yeah, don't worry about this. We'll create a wall first. So maybe I'll just do a screenshot. So okay, so we're going to create this wall first. Okay, and then on top of this, we're going to create this wall. Then we're going to try to create this bit. Okay, so this bit. Okay, so let's go back to, maybe go to the side plan. So I'll just place a wall. So I'll use WA wall, maybe 300 wall, and maybe just do a 2 meter. Okay, so let's have a look in 3D view. So we need to adjust the height. So currently it's from ground floor to non-connected. So I'll just change it to level 3. So yeah, so here. So now go to side plan. So I'm going to just copy this one, Control C, and then go to modify, paste in same. Maybe I'll just align to select level. Go to 5. Let's have a look in 3D view. Yep, that's right. And then I'll just rotate this wall by 90 degree. 90. Oh, sorry, I have that copy. So when you rotate, you can actually copy. So if you tick this box, so yeah, so maybe I'll just delete this one. So now we have these two walls. Okay, so yeah, and then we try to model a bit. Do we need to? Maybe I'll just model the. Nah, don't worry about that curtain wall for now. We're going to just model the middle part. Okay, so for the middle part, so actually I tried this yesterday. So the first method I tried is to just use model in place, and then just do a wall. I'll show you. Okay, so it didn't work, but I'll just quickly show you. So I was thinking about using blend. So I show you how we create blend. When we do blend, you can pick one reference plan, or you can just pick a reference plan for each end. Okay, so for example, I'll just set a work plan. So maybe I'll just do this one first. Tab, pick the horizontal work plan on this surface, and then I'll just edit. I'll pick this, the boundary of this wall, right? And then I'll just go click on edit top, go set work plan again, pick plan, okay, onto this, and use a pick line onto this edge, tab until you can pick the whole thing. Oh hell, wrong. Maybe you can just set work plan onto the top one again. Yeah, good. So now we can finish this. Okay, so this create a blend look like this. So, and also you will notice that this is not matching because we have a little offset here. So we just need to change this one to 0. So now the bottom is using the work plan of this the wall with 0 offset, and the top is using the work plan of this wall and with 0 offset. Okay, so this is the the shape we can have. So I know that with blend we have some, I think, where is it? Okay, so let's edit. Okay, here, edit vertices. I'm not sure. I'll just move my cursor. Okay, yeah. So you can see you can change. So sometimes we create some curves. So if I sorry, so if you look at the image on the left hand side, so those face, you can adjust. So yeah, let's try this. So it's a little bit, it's quite hard to actually to get, probably not possible to get the shape we need, right? So because what we need is it's like on the top it will be something like an L shape, right? So at the bottom L shape again, right? And then somehow you know connect them. So one piece of like a triangular shape and another piece of triangular, so upside down triangular shape. So but this one I couldn't get it to work. I'm not sure how to maybe I'll change to, yeah, not really twist. Let's try. Okay, so twist left. Yeah, so I can get this shape right? So but I just can't you know make that L shape like a triangular shape. So maybe you can just try all these options. This one's close, but still not quite right. Let me just finish this one so we'll see. Okay, so this is, yeah, no, it's not right. So I think it's broken. So you can see it's broken. Nah. So this method doesn't work. So let's try a different one. So I'll just maybe delete this one. So another method is we can just use a mask. Okay, so model in place mask. So we can create a surface and then apply place wall by face. Okay, so let's try that one. So let's same model in place, but this time pick the mask category. Okay, to create a mask surface, we need two reference plans. Okay, so reference lines. So reference lines, we're going to pick line and use draw on a work plan, set work plan. The same, I'm just going to pick this as the top of this wall as my work plan, and then pick a line. I'll just pick let me think, which one should I pick? I think probably this one. Okay, so now we have one reference line, and then I'm going to pick another one. So I think probably this one. Okay, so let's do another one. Set work plan, pick tab, pick the horizontal work plan on this surface, and pick this edge. So now we have this reference line and this reference line. So we can create hang on. I think no. Let me have a look again. Created this one. Need to go up there. Oh no, looks like hang on once again. So if I so look at this one, go up, need to go that one. But if I rotate this one, you're not really sure. Let's just create a shape and see what can we get. Okay, so create a form. And the last one, oh no, the last one, what's the last one? Yeah, okay, so now we have this shape. It looks okay. Okay, so now we have this surface, right? So let's just finish this mass, and then I'm going to select this wall. So because I want to create a wall with same thickness, right? So CS create similar. So under here, so we have this pick face. I'll just pick this. Okay, so now we have this, and then I think we need to, is that right? So from here go up. Yeah, looks okay. And then we need another wall from here down to here, right? So now I'm gonna HH this wall and also HH this mass. Oh, maybe hang on, Control Z. Maybe we can just build that surface into this mass as well. So edit in place. But this time I'll just maybe HH this reference line, HH this surface, and also HH this reference line. Again, another one, reference line, pick line, draw on work plan, set work plan. This time, let's pick this one first, tab, and then pick this, okay? And do another one, so pick line, draw on work plan, set work plan, tab, and pick this edge. Okay, so now we can select both and create a form, and again pick the one on the right to create this surface. Now we can finish the mass, okay, and then select this wall, CS, create similar, pick faces, and then pick this one. Okay, so now let's HR to bring back the other wall. So this is I think it's close. So now we need to add those curtain walls, but before that we need to probably we need to adjust these walls. So let's have a look from the top. Okay, maybe I'll rotate, have a look. Let me think, what should we do? We add glazing on the right hand side of this vertical wall. On the right hand side of this wall we need some glazing, and yeah, okay, so I think we need to move this one to align with this edge so we can have the curtain wall on this side. So let's do this. AL align, right? Pick this vertical surface and pick this wall. Okay, so now you can see that these two walls are not following this wall, so don't worry for now. So let's bring back the surface, the mass. Where is it? Not here. It's here. And let's go edit in plan. So you can see as soon as I click on edit in place, so these two surface automatically update to follow the wall, right? So now we just finished mass. Now we have this mass updated. So let me just type HR to bring back the wall. So we can select these two wall and click on this update to face, and that's it. So now we can place a and also looks like we also need to move this wall to this direction so it can be hang on, let me think. Maybe we should move this one to align with this surface, so when we place a curtain wall so it can go up. So let's do this. AL, pick this and pick this wall. So now do this, we will do the same. Let's try to pick the mass, right? So mass, edit in place, and that's it. So finish and select these two wall and update. That's it. Okay, so now let's go to so now you can see if I click on the top, so this wall, so we can just place a curtain wall under this wall. Okay, so actually under this wall. So I'm going to just yeah, I'll just copy this wall. Okay, rotate this one by 90 degree. Oh, sorry, Control Z. I'm going to rotate, untick this copy, okay, and then 90 degree. So now we can change this one into I'll just use this storefront, okay. So now I'll just go to top and MV move, maybe change to wireframe, WF. so it's easier to see everything, right? So MV and pick this corner, go move to this corner. So now this curtain was under the top SD, so you can maybe let me try. Okay, so try extend, pick this surface and pick this wall, yeah, to align with that wall. I'll see if I can attach top to this wall. Okay, so attach top. No, it doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work. That's fine. So we can always edit profile. I'll pick this surface and trim and delete this one. So now if I click on finish, yeah, Revit is asking me, or do I want to delete that mullion? Yes, please. That's it. Okay, so now if you look at this, close enough, right? So yeah, of course you can move it to set it back a little bit if you wanted to. You can change the pattern by adjust the grids. And yeah, so now do the up to the top bit. Oh, hang on, let me just have a look. So see if I can join them. Yeah, just make it, you know, cleaner, nicer, so you can see the line between them, right? So for the top bit, we can do the same. I'll just copy this one. So RO rotate. So here's a little tip. So I usually I use quite often because I like to model in 3D view, and a lot of the time if you see S create similar, so it will go, you know, pick you know, not random but pick a specific, you know, level and top constraint, and if you draw it you might find it, oh, it's not actually not the level I want them to be. So I always, so if for example I wanted to, you know, create a wall exactly the same as, you know, the use the same bottom and the top constraint as this wall. So instead of you selected create similar, I just copy it. So it makes sure this wall is this is using the same same setting, like location lines, base constraints, base offset, top constraint, top offset. Okay, so and then okay, so I copied this one from this to make sure this is using the same level and the top constraint, base constraint, and then I can just change it to the wall I want. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Right, and then okay, so I just go to top again, MV, move this to this corner, and then I'll just use that edge of that wall. Hang on, it's not working. That's fine. I'll pick this surface and click on this curtain walls to make sure this edge of this curtain wall align with the edge of this wall. And then we can just quickly edit profile, pick, trim, delete, and finish, and delete and running. So now we have this. It's quite simple, right? So yeah, so now we have yeah, if you want, if you need to, you can, you know, add some more stuff, like for example, oh, you want to go up, right? You add some roof on top, you know, add a floor underneath. It's all, yeah, quite simple. So let's, yeah, maybe I'll just add a floor underneath. Just go floor, your ground floor, yeah, good. I'll just pick face. So right, so and then maybe maybe here. Okay, so trim, finish. So now we have some floor, and then if you want, you know, this kind of this detail very exactly the same, continuous. There's no join lines between them. You just need to, you know, copy the material from the wall, and then I'll just duplicate and create maybe 300, so it will match the size here, right? So go edit, Control A, Control V, 300. So finish, join geometry, click on this. Now you have very nice floor to wall detail. So yeah, I think that's it. So if you wanted to, you can add a roof there, or even sometimes you know, you can copy a floor to the, you know, there. But just remember, if it's a floor, it will use the level and go down. If it's a roof, it uses the level to go up. So for this scenario, I just put 300 on top of that. So yeah, and to fix this, you can just use join geometry. So because they are using the same material, so you can create these, right? And yeah, just be careful. You can see it's actually cutting the wall. So it's using the floor because usually when you join floor or wall, so it's always it will cut the wall instead of the floor. So if you want to change, you can just use switch order. So now you can see the walls is there, but just the floor is being cut away. Okay, so yeah, so this is it. And then you can just to create this, you can just array. So I'll just go array. Hang on a second. Yeah, so I'll hang on, let me think. Rotate a little bit. This should go. Where should that go? Oh, sorry. Let me have a look again. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So we can change. I just use array. Maybe from snap endpoint, I'll pick the endpoint. Roughly, I'll type SE snap endpoint again. Maybe no. Oh, sorry. I'll just type in a number for now. It's 8 maybe, but we can still move, right? So mask content only mesh. That's okay. MV. I'll move this up. Maybe I'll just move that. Oh, what's that? TL. Maybe that's the mask part. That's fine. Or MV. This to this. Okay, so now let's have a look. What's that? We don't need that anymore. So maybe you can just go edit and then remove that mask. Where's the other one? Yeah, it's not there. Okay, so that's fine. Finish this, and this is it. So let's have a look. Right, so yeah, I think that's it. So it's quite simple. So we curtain wall. These are wall by face, and we used two very, very simple mass surface to create this. Okay, so I still think that it's possible to use blend. So just need to, so for example, you can just create this wall using a blend with this as a profile one, and just use another one, so probably a little square shape here as another profile to create this. Okay, so and then just do another one. Yeah, I think it's possible. Okay, so so this is it. If you have any questions, or if you have find a better method, please let me know. Okay, so thank you. And do you need this file? Maybe not. I'll save it. If you need it, let me know. I'll share it. Okay, so thanks. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.